For rack or arc gears, you may wish to customize where the teeth terminate at the extreme ends of the gear, and the shape of the supporting frame, before you execute the tooth trimming. For example, suppose you have made a spiral gear by creating an arc gear using a 360-degree angle and adding a 360-degree mating gear. Observe how the teeth interfere with each other at the extreme end, due to the discontinuity of the spirals. You could let the tooth trimming handle this, but this would reduce the tooth tip to almost nothing. Instead, let's address this by customizing the tooth termination. First, click the Tooth Extents button, then double-click the gear instance you wish to modify, in either the viewport or the instance tree, to select it. Once you have selected the instance, left-click once to define the start of your tooth extents, and then left-click again to define the end. The green region defines the portion of the teeth that are kept. Click the Update button to apply your changes, which will auto-recalculate the supporting frame. Click Done Editing Tooth Extents when you are satisfied. But you may not be happy with the shape of the automatically generated support frame. This also can be customized. Click the Define Frame button to begin your edits. Again, you must double-click a gear instance to select it. You can left-click once to select a line segment of the supporting frame. Hold and release the A key to insert a vertex into a selected line segment. Left-click drag the highlighted vertex at the end of a selected segment to relocate it, and press the D key to delete a selected segment. Remember, single clicks change your line selection, but double clicks change your gear selection. Click Done Editing Frame when finished.